Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a Paan Ladoo recipe. It is very refreshing and you can have it for after meal. You can prepare it for parties. So here into the pan I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee and into that I have added 3 cups of desiccated coconut. And now we will roast it on a very low flame for at least 5 minutes. We don't want to brown it, we just want to roast it for 5 minutes. So you make sure you keep mixing and it's not stick to the pan. Now I have taken 10 betel leaves, that is pan leaves, and I have washed them and cut them in pieces and add it to the jar. And now I will add a sweetened condensed milk. So for 3 cups of desiccated coconut we will need 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. So now I have made a puree out of it. You can see it is very beautiful bright green color. So we don't need any food color here, any artificial food color. So now we will mix everything on a low flame. So keep mixing until you see everything is well combined. Now I feel it's a little bit dry, so I will add just 1 teaspoon of condensed milk. So this measurement won't make it too sweet, but if you want to make a little more sweeter, then you can add little more condensed milk. So now we will let it cool down the mixture, and onto the side I will prepare the stuffing. So here into the bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of Gulkand, and into that I have added 1 teaspoon of soft, that is fennel seed, some Tuti futi, and here I have added 2 teaspoons of store-bought Paan Mukhvas. If you don't have it, you can add any mukhvas that is sweet in a taste, or you can just keep it. Now mixed everything very well, and we will check on a mixture, that coconut mixture, if it's cooled down. Now you can see I can handle it with the hand, so that's good. So today I will show you 2 different ways to prepare the laddu, one with the stuffing and one without stuffing. So here I will take a little teaspoon size of bowl of the mixture and just make a flat like a puri and just dent it in the middle. And now stuff the mixture, that stuffing, into the center, and now just tuck everything and make a bowl. Just roll it between your palms to give it smooth texture. So you can see it's very smooth on outside. Now we will just roll it into the desiccated coconut to give a good look. So now into the other method, this is very simple and easy. Just mixed everything, all the stuffing and the coconut mixture together. So that way it is very time saving, and it gives a good taste, as you will get all the flavors in just one bite. So give a good mix and we will make a laddu same way. Just take a little bit of stuffing and just roll it between your palm. If you see that the mixture is sticking to your hand, then just apply some ghee or oil. Now I will dust this into the desiccated coconut mixture, and same way I will prepare all the laddus. You can see it's so easy and quick, and this is so refreshing. You can make it for your parties. So please do try my recipe and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.